Hey, my name is Coach Michelle Rose, and I just want to talk about my experience with the AI Accelerator. Listen, just the fact that I said, hey, my name is Coach Michelle Rose has been a mindset shift, right? Because I never used to introduce myself like that. When I saw Renée on Tamron Hall show, she was saying how she didn't want us to be left behind. And I know some of you are feeling like me, like when you start saying left behind, we're like, oh no, we're not being left behind. We want to be with everybody else going forward and growing. One of the biggest things for me was the mindset shift, knowing that, look, you belong in the room with everyone else. Don't think that you're less. I had a visual, Michelle, you have to be intentional about the aroma that you're giving off. And I think I've been giving off the aroma that I am not enough. The mindset shift was everything for me, the clarity. I mean, in these last 2 months, the things that I've been doing that I didn't even think AI could help me with. Number one, I am not computer savvy. So AI has helped me update a website. I ain't no computer person. So I have been doing things on a website that 2 months ago, you would have asked me and I'd have been like, I don't know who you're talking to. You better go call the Geek Squad. I encourage you to sign up, take the masterclass. You can ask all the questions you want. You can hear from other women. And I would say jump in. I mean, if we spend money on hair and nails and everything else, you could spend money to invest in yourself with the AI Accelerator. I'm looking forward to big things in 2026.